Hi guys, I'm going to show you my airplane collection today. So here's the first collection. So here I have like World War II planes and modern fighter jets. And there's F-18 Hornet, there's F-35, there's a GB, a Harrier, jump jet, there's a B-24, Yak 3, BF-109.
Slowly, Kyer, I can't understand what you're saying.
Okay. An Aeromachi. Ferrigani, an F-18 Hornet, F-35, and another Harrier jump jet right here. And there's a Texan. This is the LT-6G Texan, a C-47 right here. There's a J-10.
You can pick it up and show it to me or to them.
So here's the Yak 3.
And you can also show the one from the printer, 3D printer.
Okay. And I can't bring this up, you know why? The landing gear is gonna fall down. So here's BF-109. Here's F-35 right here. This thing can hover, so this engine, it goes down and then it can hover. There's like 3 types of F-35. I think this one's a B, and there's an A, and there's a C. Okay, here's the F-18 right here. The F-18 Hornet. And this, I can't bring that one up too. That one's gonna break. The propeller's gonna break. This is a fairy gannet. You could see the one. Oh yeah, that MiG-29. Oops. Okay, I guess this is just gonna close, so I just put it like that. And there's a Corsair. I can't get those in the bag. I'm gonna just like break.
The one from the 3D printer.
Okay, here's the Spitfire. I did it orange because I forgot how to change the color, so and it was already orange, so yeah. And here's my favorite one is this one. I like the ME-262. Like this is like the first fighter jet in the world. And okay, so there's another one. This one's a flanker. This one's a flanker right here. It's SC-27 flanker. This thing can go, like its engines, they go back so it can like do this. It's really cool. Then now we have a P-47 Thunderbolt. This one is like, this thing has a lot of armor. This thing is really like, it's like really strong when it gets hit by like gunfire, like it barely gets even damaged. And if it gets, I think if it gets like shot, the wing will break. So now we have a B-24 Liberator. This is a bomber. It drops bombs from under here, and it's in the. There's a lot of gunners here. There's a gunner right here. There's a gunner up here. There's a gunner down here, and there's a gunner back here. And here's where the pilots fly the plane, and it has 4 engines. It also has twin tails.
Okay.
And here's the GB. This is actually our only racing plane we have. This races in airplane races. And now we have the Mustang. We actually have 2 Mustangs. This is my favorite warbird because it's really good. Like, see, this one has bombs and this one doesn't. This thing has a retractable landing gears. It's so cool. You can open it. So there's a movie that I like based on the A-51. It's called Red Tails. The Mustang has a red tail, but this one has a yellow one. It also has a red nose. So
okay.
Yeah.
That's it?
No.
It's already 4 minutes.
Study. What? Stop. Stop what?
There's a Spitfire right here. This is my tiniest plane I own.
Stop, nothing.
And here's my tiniest fighter jet. These are like, I'm just showing you small ones now. This is F-16 Fighting Falcon. I think I have another one. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is also my favorite 3D printed. This is a F-82 twin Mustang. It's like two Mustangs squished into one plane. So here's one Mustang and here's another Mustang. And then we have this is a 141 plane. This is a Bristol F2. It's a British plane and only has one gun.
Where'd you get that?
Oh, it's a swap meet.
Oh.
Remember you bought it for me?
Oh yeah.
Plus, swap the meat.
And then this is like my only passenger plane. This is a Learjet. It's a private jet, like the president can travel in this because it's really like private and stuff. And now we got another bomber. It's called the B-25 Mitchell. This is also like one of my favorite bombers. It's a British bomber and it's okay, yeah, later. And then this thing has some gunners. It drops bombs from right here. So here's a gun right here. Here's a gun right here. I believe there's a gunners right here too, and one under here. And then this is a twin engine. One propeller broke because it was getting old now.
Okay, that's it.
No, there's a lot more.
That's enough time. It's already 6 minutes.
Okay, one more. This is the plane I flew in. It's a Cessna 172. That's my Japan JS80F group up there.
He said the naughty girl on TV.
Yeah. And, oh my god, why do I keep forgetting to show you guys the 3D printed planes? This is an SR-71 Blackbird. This is like the fastest manned aircraft in the world.
That's also from the 3D printer, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But then we lost it back.
Okay.
So, oh yeah, wait. Can we just one more?
Okay.
Here's my favorite airliner. This is a British Concorde. I got this for Christmas from Santa. This is actually the second passenger.
That's not real.
The second passenger plane I own. This is the first supersonic passenger plane.
Okay.
It goes like really
Yeah,
fast.
Concord.
This is British Airways. The nose can go up and down. It's called a droop nose, but this one only goes up. And here's the nice British side on the tail. This is also a really big aircraft. It's like as long as our house. Like there, all the way over here. So, bye guys. Bye.